Mom has delivered some Wendy's. Like, dude, seriously? Because that can create a fire really quickly. Now that's some gourmet dinner on the go. Gourmet. I don't want to leave, I'm so tired. What can I say? I'm pretty speedy. Not gonna lie, I really didn't understand much of what he said, but I'm sure he'll tell me where to go and when to be there, so. Apparently I was very wrong to think that we were done for the night. I'm starting to feel the, what do we call it? The harvest hangover is what we call it.
Dollar bills, dollar bills.
The last pass of wheat harvest 2021.